unosizwa isigubhu silamasi kunamasi emcimbini kwaNkona nika isigubhu sinamasi
uyasizwa lesigubhu uyekela ukuhlabela amanga amasi kwamasana
but kuyafanana lokho mzala
hayi
kufanana lokho
akufani
kanti namhlanje wathi ngiku-ayinele kanti uyangaphi mzala
mzala ngiyakwi-job interview
what is interview mzala
i-job interview right interview you know mzala mabethi interview watsho interview but kulo msebenzi uya-understand
so sizaphumula phela ukudla amakhabishi
hayi ngiyadinga ngiyadinga umsebenzi akawutholi
yadlula phela kumdawini phela kunikilo cha
kumdawini phela no kulo makhathini
makhathini
obvious makhathini abezazi izinto ezenziwa ngumdawini uyabona
so sharp phela mfana isikhiwa but uke wambona yini yena uMayigamchirayi asihluphile yena
uMayigamchirayi ngeke ngambona but ungani uyisi ngani uyisi
sidalo
ngani yonke into uyisi yazi ngidinga amafutha cha amafutha ngiqhubeka namafutha
la usuhlupha kakhulu
akuwe
kanti ingaphi ilokuzendana lelokuzendana eyidingayo
Diana
Opa
lokwenza ukuthi ngilichakada lakho nje
sorry Jake but I mistake
ejena angixolisanga nje ukuthi ngathi ngichakada lakho yebo ngilidlile ngalikaga ngaxolisa ukuthi it was a mistake but wena ngenza so
yafana lokho yi50-50 ngiyakuxolisa ngithi sorry wena uyangichingela kwakho lokho 50-50
alright so ngiyahlekisa ukuthi uyangiloya mfana mama loya akasebenzi la side zathola phela umsebenzi kusayini Salona.
Good morning, sir. Have a seat. Can I have your CV? So Thuso, can you tell me about yourself?
Alright. Ibizon Thuso. I was born in Botswana and raised in Zimbabwe. And I sell airtime and wash cars for a living.
Okay, that's interesting. And what makes you think you qualify for this position?
Oh, okay. I can type 60 words per minute.
With how many errors?
All of them.
Is that supposed to be fun? Because I'm not amused. I learned to cook 5-minute noodles. Yabo. So I can do anything when I'm uyacho. You name it. Uthi ngenze lokhu I can do it. Imagine typing 60 words per minute. Okay. Yes. I like you. I like your sense of humor. Okay. I like you. You remind me of my granddad. We need that sense of humanity in our company. So you are hired.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Jump.
James ala che la ngibingelela la wenza ngana ufuna ukukhuluma lami nje. Mzala che.
Sorry.
Kanti kuyini phekho ukwenza che?
Concentrate gaming. Isimzala.
Che ibira isi abantu bazitholele che.
Nguwe no.
Himi lo che. Sengikhona.
Wathi ngithi ufla.
Seventh ngiwutholile.
Hayi wena mzala.
Ngiyakutshela che.
Phele freshi. Tararara.
Kodwa ngomsemba.
Ebakanti into sorry kodwa lapha.
Basena nje usuzasala wena utake over ibusiness eKhawashi noma abantu befuna ukugezisa izimoto zabo ngama 5 rand uzabe la ubavumeza because 5 rand abeyifuna yabona
Ama 5 rand la nginceda ngani asimali phela.
You need 5 rand more than that.
Hawu. Kanti wena masala uhlala next door. Hambe thanyela next door le.
I'll go next door.
Kugara next door ngidasey.
Unogara next door.
Kugara next door ngidasey.
Masala bethanyela next door.
Hey, ndikuda mari yangu.
Ulahlekanga?
Hey, ndikuda mari yangu man. Ndikuda mari yangu, mari yangu. Mari yangu. Nasi munobunda.
Tusingaphi idola leliya.
Andinizwe dola nasi. Nasi ndikuda mari yangu.
Mirai.
Ndikuda mari yangu ini.
Mirai.
Munobunda nasi.
Mirai.
Ndikuda mari yangu kulungisana. Na mari yangu ini.
Mira.
Ndikuda mari yangu.
Ingaphi idola leliya na Thusi.
Ndikuda mari yangu. Dola nasi ndikuda dola ini. Bunda imali kama msingashigoni.
$2 there.
Iwa Thusi.
Khathesi ngiyakwazi ukuthi right my gama. So is ours.
Hey.
Mother.
Futhi uthi ulahlekile uhlala next door.
Unogara pha next door khaya.
Hambe uqhubeka ngokuthanyela ngathi.
Tawena seko.
Hayi sikutshelile ukuthi ulahlekile wena waba stubborn. Bye bye auntie. Bye bye.